Hi, I'm Yana and I'm a traveling artist. In this course, you will learn how to paint a realistic portrait of a Vietnamese kid in watercolor. If you never painted portraits in watercolor before, you want to improve your skills or just to get advanced guidance in watercoloring, you are in the right place. So in this course, you will learn about proportions, what is layering and glazing and how to apply them in art, and how to actually create a realistic portrait of a child. I will share with you little tactics and tips and techniques that will help you to improve your art and to move to the next level, because portrait painting and watercoloring are not so easy. But before you jump into the course, I would like to tell you a few words about myself. I'm a watercolorist and a traveler. I have been traveling around the world and settled down in Asia. I lived in Thailand for more than 3 years. I settled in Vietnam and I traveled to Laos, Cambodia. I was adopted by Thai kids. I was hitchhiking in Thailand. I was in the middle of nowhere doing a meditation retreat. All these things, all this experience that happened to me, I painted them in watercolor in my little sketchbook that I carry with me all the time. I was exhibited in art galleries and I sell my artworks online and offline. Besides, I also host watercolor workshops in the cities I travel to. One of the common fears that my students face is that watercolor is unpredictable. You can't control it. Well, in this course, I'm not gonna give you the academic skills, but I will give you the understanding on how watercolor works. You will follow each step in real time, and I will explain everything I do and why I do it. You don't need any experience to start painting today. Just follow me and ask any questions if arise. I will be very happy to help you, and I'm super active in social media platforms. So find me in Instagram or Facebook and type Yana Travel Art and ask me anything you want. This is not a history class. This is an art studio where you start now and you have results now. So join me and let's have fun.